In the last movie, we created this animated lower third. Now, let's package it up so that it's a reusable object. Before we do, I want to jump back out to our Finder. In an earlier movie, we talked about the need for a project folder template where you could store all of the relevant files to a single project. In this movie, I want to talk about another type of folder structure that is extremely helpful, and it's what I call my Camtasia library folder. I've included a copy of the folder structure that I use in the exercise files, but feel free to create your own. I name the top level folder _Camtasia library folder so that it always jumps to the top of my list of folders. Then inside, I have folders for common elements that I use over and over in different projects. Things like intro and outro bumpers, custom callouts that I create, a folder for ideas that I have that are generally unfinished projects that may turn into one of these other types of projects someday. I've got a lower thirds folder and a folder for transitions that I create. In the lower thirds folder, I've included a basic lower third project here that you're welcome to use if you'd like. Let's go back to Camtasia and package up the lower third that we're working on. Creating reusable objects inside of Camtasia is a bit of a manual process. Let's begin by selecting all of the clips and then add them to a group by going up to the Edit menu and selecting Group or pressing Command G. Then right or Control click on the group and select Rename Group. I'll call mine lower _ third. Now go up to the File menu and select Save As. Then navigate to your Camtasia library folder, lower thirds, and name the file something that's really descriptive that'll help you remember exactly what this file is. For instance, I'll use EC for Explore California _lower _third _60 for 60% opacity _black _gray for the black bar and the gray bar. Then make sure you're creating a standalone project and click Save. Now anytime that you want to reuse this lower third, open up this file, select the lower third, copy it to your clipboard. Then open the project that you want to use it in and paste. Your lower third automatically comes into your project and it's ready to be used. Since we grouped everything together, this lower third comes in as a single clip. But since it's a group, you can double click on the gray bar and then edit any of the text or other items that are in here. Let's say for this particular project that you're working on, this gray bar isn't quite working for you. What you need is a yellow bar. So click on the bottom gray bar and change the color to the color that you need, and then change the color of the text if you need to, and then close the group. If you decide that you really like the way that this new lower third looks, and you might want to reuse it in some other projects, you can click on the group, copy it, go up to the File menu, create a new project, paste the lower third in, and then save this project with a new name into your lower thirds folder, and it's ready to reuse. You can even apply additional animations to the entire group that you've created. Let's say that you want to bring the energy level of this lower third up some more. So you can go to your Animations panel, add a custom animation to the beginning, click the ending keyframe to set it, then click the starting keyframe, change its X rotation to -360, and then change the scale at the starting keyframe up to a very small size. Now when you back up and play this animation, the whole lower third spins out into place. If you like this lower third, save it as another project. It will take some time to build up your own library of tools, but you're only limited by your own imagination.